Welcome back. We're doing question 2.3, which is the last part of our question 2. That given the geometric series x plus 90 plus 81. So remember that we got 100 for our first term. Hence, what is the meaning of this? It means use what you have proved in the previous question, isn't it? Or otherwise, okay? Right, we'll start with otherwise and then go back to hence. Right, calculate the sum to infinity. Let me start with this. Okay, remember in the previous question we proved that Sn is equal to 1000 and then 1 minus 0.9 to the power n. That's what we proved, isn't it? So when it says hence, it means we're supposed to use this. Let's say otherwise. Otherwise, we know that sum to infinity is equal to a over 1 minus r, where r is between -1 and 1. So that is a converging series. And we managed to find that r there is equal to 0.9. And then 0.9 is between -1 and 1. So this series is a converging series. So sum to infinity here is going to be a is 100, then over 1 minus 0.9. Then sum to infinity is equal to 100 divided by 0.1, so which is 1000. Okay, that's the answer there. Right, using what we managed to get in the previous question, we said hence. So we can say that when n is approaching infinity, this will be equal to lim n approaching infinity, and then 1000, then 1 minus 0.9 to the power n. Okay, right, what happens to this 0.9 as n approaches infinity? You can try that with your calculator. Just put 10 there and see, just say 0.9 to the power 10 and see what you're getting. 0.9 to the power 100 and see what you're getting. 0.9 to the power 1000. Keep on increasing this n here. So as n approaches infinity, this whole thing, 0.9 to the power n, approaches 0, becomes smaller and smaller and smaller, isn't it? Right, becomes 0. So as n approaches infinity, this 0.9 to the power n approaches 0. So it becomes basically 1000, then 1 minus 0. And then 1 minus 0 is 1, so it becomes 1000. See that? So that's what we're supposed to do there. Okay? Right. So we're going to meet when we do question 3.